How to pin a highlight on your Instagram. First, you want to simply open your Instagram application. After that, you want to simply tap on your profile over here. And by doing so, you'll be able to see your highlights on here. And if you want to pin your highlight, the highlight and if you want to pin your highlight, the pinning of the highlight option is still not available on Instagram. Instagram does not currently support pinning or reordering story highlights manually. You can edit a highlight by tapping and holding on, and by simply selecting edit highlight. You want to simply tap and hold on to your highlights application. You want to simply tap and hold on to your highlights option, and by doing so you'll be able to edit all of the settings over here. However, you won't be seeing any kinds of pin option on here. What you can do is, if you have a lot of highlights, if you add any of your stories to the highlight that you want to be on the forward, you'll be able to do that if you post your story to the highlight. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.